Okay guys, welcome back in our CSS class. In this class, we are going to talk about Universal Selector. Before we start, what is Universal Selector? Universal Selector is a wide selector that tackles all elements on the page. So how do we make use of this Universal Selector? First of all, create your style in your header, because we are using inline CSS in this class. Internal CSS, not inline. I'm sorry for confusing you. We are using internal CSS. So initiate your style in your header section. Then use star as threaded. By initiating this, we are making use of Universal Selector. So let's start it. Then normal way. Then any code that you inserted here will take effect in your styling. So first of all, we need to initiate border to check out if what we are doing is working. So border one pieces solid white. So let's check our browser. Okay, here we have the border. Then I want to give it a padding inside, but let's remove padding 0 pixels. So any default padding, I want to remove it. Margin, any default margin, I want to remove it to that 0 pixels. Let's check around. So as you can see, we have some margins, so let's remove everything is gone. Then we need border sizing, then we give it a border box. So we are just resetting anything in this project. Then we want to change the font size of our wall. So let's use font family, not font size please, font family. So let's use font family of Times New Roman. Okay, now we are done. So this is how Universal Selector works. So anytime you see anything like this in any code that is in any CSS code, be it in mind that the person is trying to make a Universal Selector. Thank you.